You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video I am going to be doing a Born Pretty swatch. I have their fall collection right in front of me. So I'm going to swatch those colors. So if you guys are interested in seeing what they look like, stay tuned. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start swatching. I'm not going to talk too much during this video because if you guys have watched any of my videos, you know I am a big fan of Born Pretty. They products are very inexpensive. They're great to start off with if you're trying to build your collection, and most of all, they self-level. So I haven't had any problems or any issues with any of Born Pretty products. So if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, make sure you do so. And I'll come back towards the end and show you guys all the beautiful colors that's in this collection. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying this video, and if you are, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I will be doing another part to this video because I did a nail look and it came out so thick and cute. I just didn't want to make this video too long. So these colors are a must-have in your collection. If you don't already own them, you need to head over to Born Pretty. I'll have a discount code down below, so make sure you take advantage of that so you can save yourself 20%. And I want to say thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending these colors over to me. They're absolutely gorgeous. So we're about to swatch the last color. And when I say a must-have, guys, these are definitely a must-have in your collection. Okay, so here are all 6 colors in this collection. When I say gorgeous, gorgeous, I hope you guys like this. And if you do, like I said, head on over to Born Pretty and get you this collection. I have everything linked down below as well as the discount code. As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I catch you guys on the next video.
On a Tuesday, he Gives me good loving, something that I never thought